Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this minimalistic wallet. So this is what it looks like. Nice solid metal back casing. So you have a couple options here. Pretty nice looking. It's pretty simple how this actually works. You would put your cards in here. Now you can open it like this if you really wanted to, but you put your cards in here and then you press down here. And by pressing there, it allows you to pull out your card really quickly, and then you just simply slide it right back in. I've seen people put cash under here. So, you can lift this up. As you can see, it flexes. So you could put cash under there if you wanted to, and your cards in here and pop them out, and you're good to go. So pretty simple how to use, very minimalistic. So guys, yeah, you can put the cash easily in here. So you just lift it up, slide your cash in just like that. Easy access your card just like that. You can put a lot of cards in. Very easy, very simple. Overall, it's a nice minimalistic wallet that's RF blocking. So it's nice.